Given the vectors omega and r, let's calculate the following cross product. So using the determinant method, we'll put the unit vectors in the first row, and the components of each vector involved in the cross product in the following rows. And now we can calculate the product of each unit vector with the determinants of the minor matrices, which have components that are not in the column of that unit vector. Which gives the following result. And you'll notice that this is the tangent vector resulting from the cross product of the angular velocity with the radial vector in circular motion. And now I'll leave it for you as an exercise to check that this vector is perpendicular to both of these vectors involved in the cross product by taking its dot product with each of those vectors, which should be 0.